Okay guys, this is how to sign up for the contest. You click on join contest. Alright, scroll down, then you go to rules and prizes. It's important that you read the rules and the prizes. Okay, you have it there, and then you go to upload photo. Great. So you are going to fill the form at this point. Your name, I'm going to just give an example. My name is Caleb. Oh, my email is city Lagos. My phone number, we'll put it. So if you have a blog, you put your blog address there. If you have Facebook, you put your Facebook address there. Twitter, you put your Twitter address. Let me put Twitter here. www.twitter.com. You will put www.instagram/Caleb. And then who referred you? This is important. Who referred you to this website? Who told you about this contest? Okay, for me, Prosper told me about this contest. Okay, and just click either a male or female, and then give a title. Then if you have any description, put it there. And then you upload your image. Okay, once you are done, click on submit video. So thank you, your photo is not activated yet. You must wait for approval, but you can share it already. So you can actually go down here, share your links immediately. You can copy this is to copy your link, this is to share, this is to share to Facebook, this is to share to Twitter, this is to share to Google Plus, and different social media that you can share. Okay, you're going to use these links to share your contest page even before you are approved. So we'll check your photo, we'll check that it's original, and then you get approved. And on the 21st of March, voting begins.